Born kid stands on its own immediately after birth and finds its mother's udder by itself. The doe's milk in the first 3 days is called colostrum. It is rich in antibodies which protect the kids against diseases. Make sure that all kids get 100 to 200 milliliter colostrum within half an hour of birth. Birth to 3 months age is the most critical period for kids. Keep the goat shed dry and clean to avoid diarrhea and other infections. Protect kids from wind and cold to avoid pneumonia, but keep the shed well ventilated. If the buck is brought to the doe only for mating, 1 buck is enough for 50 does. However, when artificial insemination is done using fresh diluted semen, 1 buck is enough for about 1,000. Subabul or Desmanthus or Dasharath. This could be tied in the shed at an accessible height for the kids. Initially, the kids will just nibble this, which will help in stimulating the development of their rumen. Start feeding groundnut cake and maize grains at the rate of 50 gram per day per kid when the kid is 4 weeks old. Do not give water to kids for the first 30 days because this spoils their appetite for milk. After a month, kids should always have access to fresh, clean water and a mineral lick. Stopping kids from suckling the mother is called weaning. Kids should be weaned when they are 90 to 100 days old. Separate male and female kids at this stage. Weaned kids should be given 200 gram concentrate per day per kid, and this should be gradually increased by 50 gram every week to 500 to 600 gram per day per kid. The quantity of concentrate given depends on breed and weight.